Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, what are the drugs that reduce the progression of the Alzheimer's disease? Which drugs can reduce the progression of the Alzheimer's disease? Drugs like, if you see, the estrogen replacement therapy can reduce the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Ginkgo or NSAIDs or usage of selagelin or statins, or whenever there is lowering of serum homocysteine levels, whenever there is lowering of serum homocysteine levels, so all these will slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease.
thank you and thank you for watching.